and action. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Ella and Riley.
Hi.
And we're going to do some random unboxings of mystery
Toys,
packs,
yeah.
blind packs and stuff like that we get in on shipments. And
But
we've got
we're not
nothing else
going
to do
to
with
pick.
it. Yeah, we're not picking. It's just I pull out and they just open it. So it could be anything from like Trolls to Fortnite to
Jojo
Siwa, Poopsie.
Yeah,
Stuff.
poopsie things.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Or
Shopkins, anything. Could be absolutely anything.
ponies.
Yeah,
Pony.
My Little Pony could be anything. So we'll see. We'll get it going, and we'll see what we open up.
Yes.
Right. So I don't even look.
Wait, and
most
make
of it I don't
sure
even know.
You subscribe, share us, and hit that like button.
Tell them, Ella. Go.
Click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up.
There it is.
Yeah.
All right. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, and
First
follow.
one. And you get rock, paper, scissors. Who goes first?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
All right. Ella, set, go. Tell them what it is. Go.
It's a My Little Pony.
Surprise pack. Show them. All right. Let's go. Let's open it. Let's see.
You guys can keep it going.
I know. We're going to keep going.
Try to open it.
Riley, ready, set, and go.
Open this.
Frozen. One for you. And
You could
for
trade.
your
You could trade.
BFF. I'm gonna give this one to my BFF.
Abby.
Yeah.
Ooh, I got
Abby.
her.
This is actually very cute.
Who is that?
I think
Frozen.
it's
Oh, I forgot to show you.
Oh, yeah. It's
Frozen.
somewhere in here.
It's a little Frozen bow.
A little cute frozen bowl.
Yep.
She.
And it says I need to give this one to my BFF.
There it is.
So I'm
What
gonna
does
give
that
it to Abby.
Looks like, is it Lily Valley?
Lily Valley.
No, it's not.
Oh, Fluttershy.
These are
Fluttershy.
really cute. So we got this blue one. Yeah, that blue one. And
Okay.
this like snow
Ella.
one.
Ella gets to do lollipops.
Ooh, I got.
Never heard of lollipops? Have you?
Yeah.
You have. Never heard of
Oh wait, we
lollipops.
did actually find one in the video.
Never heard of it.
Other video.
We did.
All right. Riley's up.
Let's see who
Can you
I
guess
got.
what it's gonna be?
I think it's gonna be some
She's
kind
so
of.
cute.
How about My Little Pony thing? I think it's gonna be My Little Pony.
My Little Pony, it is. A
Nice.
Fortnite Black Knight Series 1.
So this is how you do
Whatever
it,
that
Dad.
is, I have no idea.
Follow my lollipop.
What? Look at it, it actually does it. How does it do that?
Remember, we have one. We opened one in our last video. Or not our last video.
I think you gotta put it in front of her.
One of them.
There you go, look at it. That's pretty cool. Alright, lollipops, thumbs up. Thumbs up on the lollipops. That's pretty neat.
I like.
Wow. Fortnite Black Knight Series 1
Alright,
is a success, I guess.
that's pretty cool.
Okay.
Riley, you
No, it's my
get,
turn.
Ella, you get Noms.
Nah.
Num Series 4. Alright, Riley, moving stuff around. Five Nights at Freddy's Squish Me.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
see what that is.
I can't open it.
Ew. This feels so weird. It's this, don't know what it is. It feels like some kind of candy. Like a it feels like a marshmallow.
Huh, who is it?
That guy. Here, feel this. Doesn't it feel like a marshmallow?
Oh man, I feel like I could roast that and make a
I know.
s'more.
I
And it
got
feels so
this
That guy
here.
right
And
there.
look, you can squish him, and then he looks like this.
I could definitely make a s'more out of that.
I got this girl.
If you pull the tab out on the bottom, it activates. Yep. And then
I am your friend.
I think
Does it need batteries?
no it's oh there it is, look.
There.
You press the back button on it. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so Riley's up next.
Yes.
You get
Wait, no, it's my turn.
Moj.
She just opened
It's
that.
fine. Just give me the Moj Moj.
Moj.
She just opened that.
Yeah, but you're gonna get another one. Alright, Ella, you get a Pick Me Pop.
Oh,
Pick
she
Me
loves
Pop.
Pick Me Pop.
Pick me back.
Can you please?
And you
open
guys can always do a trade, don't forget. We got
Can you
rules
open
for the
this?
game.
Pull here.
Alright, go.
this?
I'm pulling here, but it won't let me.
Moj Moj. Oh.
Can you help?
This is
These
for
are
here.
cute.
Oh, here.
Look at this. Is this some kind of raccoon?
I definitely pulled there, but it did not
There's
open.
some stickers. Oh,
All right,
another
let me
one.
open it.
Another one.
Ew, there's still slime on it.
This smells freaking amazing.
Ah, my hands are turning black from this.
Okay, Ella,
Can you open this?
Let's turn.
So here's my first one. So
I
cute.
wonder if he glows in the darker side.
So here's
That's pretty cool.
here's the rainbow fur. Now we're just gonna
Let
have
me
to
check,
open it like this.
who this guy is, or who these two guys
Oh, it looks like a tail.
are.
First, let's open it all, and then it turns
Whoa.
into him.
Okay,
What is
this
this?
It looks like a fox.
is
Let's see.
doesn't actually say his name, but he's U
His name.
6
Very best
U
friends.
069. It's like some kind of stitch. He's a mermaid, I guess.
This is still definitely my favorite. Right here. This cool guy.
I like him.
And I think
Let's turn that on.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I don't see this guy on here.
Here, you need to turn him on.
Alright. Alright, next thing. Ready.
Yes.
Set. Go. Fingerlings. What is it?
Fingerling mini.
Babies.
For pencils?
Yeah, it's
Huh.
like you can put it on a bracelet.
And
or
Ella
ring.
trolls.
Wait,
Ella, go.
it says 7 surprise.
No, it's the Series 7 Trolls Mystery Pack.
Here's the bracelet. Aww.
So you could put the Fingerling Mini on a pencil.
And then it comes as his fingerling.
That's a ring.
Open. This is what
Yeah.
the rainbow fur turns into.
Who is it?
Me.
It's me. It's baby. It's baby Poppy.
Aww.
Baby Poppy.
So cute. Alright, Riley. Littlest Pet Shop Lucky Pets.
Ooh.
Ella. Hatchimo. Mermo Magic.
Oh, magic.
Never heard of that.
Lucky Pet. So it looks like a genie thing.
Never heard of Lucky Pets, and I
Neither
never
have I. I've heard of Littlest Pet Shop, but never
just
looked.
pull it open.
Oh, it looks like I gotta warm it up. Okay, gotta warm it up because it's very cold. Crack
I don't
it.
know if you guys know what you're doing.
We gotta crack it.
OMG.
What? You gotta warm it up
Hello.
Huh?
and then crack it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you do for hashimoto's.
You have to actually warm it up?
And then crack it.
No.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is the directions in the see? Oh wait, no.
What?
The magic water reveal.
You have to wait water to do it.
Oh.
Oh, I just broke it open.
Let's see who it is. Oh, it's a baby.
It is a little baby.
Look at me. I'm cuter than you.
Yeah.
So you got you gotta show the guys so they can see it. It's some type of little walrus made.
Yeah, that's cute.
I just made that up. Walrus made. I don't know his real name. His real name. What's his real name?
It's a.
It's here. Isn't that him right there?
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, his name is Merwalrin. My name is way better. Walrus made. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Last one, and then we'll call this video a quit.
What about
Alright, here we go.
Riley.
Riley. That one. My Little Pony. Ella. Hatchimo Mystery Mini Plush Clip-On. So you can put that on your thing.
I think I was supposed to shoot all this.
You didn't bust it out?
I did.
Oh.
I pulled
I'll
this
pull it
thing.
open and, well, just pull the bag out, then we don't get the glitter everywhere. You know how much of a mess that is, like last time.
Yeah. Mess.
Or just open it up. Can you help? Ella's gonna beat you. Go, Ella, hurry. Hurry, Ella, you can beat her. She's taking too long. Here's all the fun confetti. Celebration. It's my birthday month.
Could you open
Yeah.
It is almost mine.
It's
Not
almost
yours.
mine.
No, mine.
I was born first.
No, I was.
That's kind of weird.
That's kind of weird.
All right.
I can't open this.
Ella's gonna win.
3.
Okay, who'd you get?
I got
Need help?
this lady.
He's so cute.
Hello.
Hi.
It's what's his name? A Hedgewind? Let me see.
It's
I got
Yep.
Pinkie Pie.
Ella Fly.
Ella Fly.
I got Pinkie Pie. She has partying on the mind
That's pretty cool.
as she zooms through the waves. So
You
she
can
has a
put
little-
this on your backpack and take it to school. They don't smell.
This one does.
All right. All right. So that's what we got for you guys. Hopefully you had fun watching. They enjoyed doing it. You guys got anything else for them?
Make sure to subscribe. I can say it.
Hit the subscribe button in the corner. They really appreciate it. They enjoy making the videos.
Which is right here.
No.
And I
Or down
think it's
here.
down there.
Or down here. Yeah, it's
Or down there.
Or down there. One of them. You'll find it.
Yeah.
All right. That's what we got for you guys. Make sure to subscribe and share us, and we'll be back with another video. Thanks for watching.